Imagine being able to unleash the full potential of your AI workloads with no compromises on performance or portability, all in the palm of your hand. Introducing the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop, a powerhouse of a device that redefines what's possible with edge AI computing. In today's data-driven world, businesses and individuals are increasingly relying on AI to drive insights and decision-making. However, the current landscape of AI computing is often marred by slow processing speeds, limited memory, and bulky hardware. This is where the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop comes in, a game-changing solution that addresses these pain points head-on. At the heart of this device lies the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell architecture, delivering up to 1,000 TOPS of AI performance for generative AI, LLMs, and advanced edge computing workloads. Paired with a 20-core ARM CPU design, this powerhouse enables smooth multitasking, faster data processing, and optimized power usage for demanding AI applications. But that's not all. The MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop also boasts a massive 128 GB unified memory, powered by LPDDR5X high-bandwidth memory technology. This provides an unprecedented level of memory and flexibility, allowing you to run large AI models locally without compromise. In practical terms, what does this mean? It means being able to process and analyze complex data in real time, without the need for clunky external hardware or tedious cloud processing. It means enjoying lightning-fast performance, effortless multitasking, and unparalleled AI capabilities, all within a sleek, compact device that fits neatly on your desk. Whether you're a data scientist, AI researcher, or business leader looking to drive innovation, the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop is the ultimate solution. So why settle for less when you can have it all? Experience the future of AI computing today with the MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop. Order now and unlock a world of possibilities.